Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to destroy colliding sprites and how to destroy them on animation complete. So first of all, let's look at all the sprites that can collide with another sprite. So here they all are. If we look at the character can collide with the alien, with the meteorite and with the alien missile. The shield can collide with the alien, with the meteorite and the alien missile. And the player missile can collide with the alien, again with the meteorite and the missile. So those are 9 possibilities in total. That's a lot. So we're going to solve this into writing them into different groups. But there's a more immediate problem that has to be solved. If we look at the shield, it has no animation. If you destroy it, it just disappears and nothing more. The same goes for the missile and the alien missile. So if you want to destroy them, all you have to do is write this line: the name of the sprite dot destroy, and it's going to work that way. However, if you're going to try to destroy sprites that has defined animations and playing animations, in that case you're going to crash the game. These sprites that I'm showing you here also have special animations for when they are destroyed. So if you're going to use this line on them, you're going to crash the game. So I'm going to show you how to work around this. Now about how it looks in the code. First of all, I want you to take notice of this line in the create function that I have written. I have created an empty array called deadArray, and now in the update function, every time the update function is executed, every object, every sprite that is located inside this array is destroyed. So remember that, I will return to it later. So now about checking the collision. So this is how you check the collision. You write a function. So it checks the collision between these two objects that you have named. You give them to the function, and then I talked about the sprites that don't have any animation. Here you can just use, as I said, the name of the sprite dot destroy, and it's going to work. So some additional code, and the sprites on which you can use this kind of approach, and in this case is the shield and both missiles. However, when you look at the player character that has defined animations, as well as the alien and the meteorite, you cannot use this. As I said, you're going to crash the game. So what you do, here are the two groups that I was talking about. The group I will call player, and the group I will call enemy. I will create an additional function which will work with these groups. So here you can see I'm checking the collision between the array us, which contains the shield of the player, the missile and the player, as well as the aliens, then the meteorites and then the alien shoots, which are all in the enemy group. And here to the function I give player and enemy as I call the groups, and execute after that function on collision. So after that, outside the update function, I write this function that uses two switch case constructions. One one switch case for the player, where the key is player sprites, and the other switch case for the enemy. So first of all, then the key is the name of the image which is used on that sprite. So what happens with the shield? Shield has no animation, so just player.destroy. The same goes with the shoot, no animation. The character has additional sprite which takes its place and plays the animation, so I will return it in the next tutorial. Now to the enemy switch case construction, where the enemy image is the key. When alien.png is used, I define an animation which shows how the enemy is destroyed, and the loop is set to false. Very important that it does not loop. Now I play the animation, and here when the animation is complete, I take that specific alien and put it into dead array. Now you remember the dead array which destroys every sprite that is in it. Also I take the index of that alien, and what I do is after I have pushed it inside the dead array, I have to take it outside the aliens array, because I have other code which relies on the length of this array, and well, quite generally accesses the different well, the aliens there. So I take them out using the splice, using the index and telling only one element of that, and yeah, also set the points. Every time an alien is destroyed, you gain plus 10 points, and then set the text to that amount that the points have. Now almost the same is for meteorite, except killing a meteorite gives you 1 point. You set the text again, and then you define the animation. Again, the loop is false. Also, I changed the angle to 0, because if you remember, I rotated the meteorites, but when you play the animation, it looks better if the angle is 0. So the next thing, I play the animation, and then again on animation complete, push it inside the dead array which destroys everything. So I don't take it out of the array because I don't have this code that relies on it. And for alien shoots, you just destroy the sprite, and that's all. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it.